What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel if you are new, and welcome back if you are returning. It's your girl Kiki, of course, and welcome to Kiki's Life. If you read the title, then you seen what your girl will be doing for spring break. A few things. And I just want to jump on camera to do my intro, because one thing about me, I'm gonna forget to do my intro every single time. I just be jumping into the video and recording and be forgetting to do my intro and my outro. But yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Hopefully y'all like this video. Share it with whoever y'all want to share it with, so your girl can grow her channel. And yeah, hopefully you watch the full video.
She fight to take me no win, this cat nigga can't even see me on win. She fight to flight, nigga win this cat. She fight to flight me no way out of here. She fight to flight, nigga can't even see me on way out of here. I'm too far in the sky. Hermes ash for the dark, my ash. Bitch so pretty, look better than Cassie. Puffin' on Zooters and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and I guess. Came out the gutter and ain't never me the swaggin'. Security bag, got a bitch, I'm a begging. Turning it up, gotta make sure she good. Park 2 mil in the middle of my hood. Drinking no mud, I made out of the sewer. Pro hard accessory, do whatever, I'm good. A lot of these niggas, they looking the same. They copy my lingo, they biting my chain. Championship, ain't just gon' empty shit. Bitch breaking niggas, look at the kid. Heard of the fountain, but making the Canada. Bring me this money like they my religion. This could be a man, they a sad vanity. Nigga, they try to compare whatever I did. Them that touched 100, this off the gig. They came out the jungle, they kidnapped the kid. I trap out of Bendo's, been put on the crib. But look at the ocean, it's my 30 M. You know where I'm at, the city I'm in. I keep me no fully, no matter what I'm in. I don't touch your ass, you don't think you Korean. You fucking me good, bitch.
They too old for this shit.
Right. For real. Like everybody else. Meow. Meow. Y'all better get in that water.
That water ain't cold.
Get in that water. Ooh, we might try to be way over there. This water looks disgusting. Come on. Come on.
He's getting on that beat.
Woo! It's just a little water sticky.
Let's go.
Look, you can stand up.
Okay.
Literally.
Look, there you go. Look. You good.
What happened? I'm laughing at them back there.
But you heard me. My baby don't like this lady.
Woo! We got big, guys. A second.
I'm tired.
It's not that bad. I should take one to get it first.
Look at Big Brother do these all the time. You bury your feet.
Yeah.
Baby don't.
Until next time, beach. I love the way the waves sound against the... It's so soothing. I love the beach, it's so peaceful. I'm just saying, Dolphins.
Oh, you took a little roller off. Oh, you went big stones. Oh, you went 2 Instagram. Oh, you went ringtones. Oh, you went train on that bitch. Oh, you went ding dong. Oh, you went kingpin. Oh, you went wings in. Oh, you went hands on. Oh, you went singing. Oh, you went demon. She not the demon. Yeah. Oh, you went king. Yeah. Now that scream. Yeah. Hey, you went flying 50 first. Hey, you went driving around the world. Hey, you went round like a squirrel. Hey, you went sitting down pearls. Hey, you went Rolls Royce car. Hey, you went Rolls.
You've been spamming that all day.
me that ask for my help. Go get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gon' step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept. Yup, she got a nigga, he got a shirt. Why? You can't compete when you can't compare. She ate the dick through my underwear. Got up and got herself out of there. I see they put me on memes and things. Don't speak on my life without knowing the real. 8 figures a year, what it cost me to live. Don't hold it, just say what you feel, but watch your mouth before I fly at your bitch. To a place that she didn't know exists. Mediterranean water, my wrist. Keeping them piss out, I'm talking my shit. 6-figure check for a show, man, I'm lit. Let's celebrate in my bag, legit. These niggas with me with whatever I'm with. They know who did it, got everybody hit. Bitch, I don't like niggas, I don't like bitches, I don't like nobody. We can get gangster, we can keep it cordial. How you wanna go back? How you wanna do it? I don't backtrack, man, fuck that. I don't miss nobody. I don't miss nothing. Left it on scene, I ain't right back. I don't trust nobody. I just looked at my wrist, I got time today. Fuck it, I'm crossing the line today. These bitches will cry and be lying in your face. Slicker than us, gotta know how they play. If the money went straight, she won't be here today. Ain't that man, sure know what to say. You ain't me, so it's hard to relate. What? How much cash I fuck off every day? Big bag. Don't play with me, baby, go play with your pussy. You see them in person, these niggas be shooting. $100, it cost you a Quavo to book me. I'm worth it, the proof in the pudding. Surrounded by bitches. I'm looking like William, but they ain't my girlfriends. Bro, I'ma spin on your block back to back when they finish. It look like the world ends. I ain't asked for it, they did it to me. What? Niggas exposing their hands for free. Get caught in the middle, that's bullseye. You got hit, but we were targeting heat. I'm popping my shit with a capital P. SRT, red eye, red key. Might be ugly, but my bitch preference. She ain't even sneeze, but still I bless. I don't like niggas, I don't like bitches, I don't like nobody. We can get gangster, we can keep it cordial. How you wanna go back? How you wanna do it? I don't backtrack, man, fuck that. I don't miss nobody. I don't miss nothing. Left it on scene, I ain't right back. I don't trust nobody. I just looked at my wrist, I got time today. Fuck it, I'm crossing the line today. I just looked at my wrist, I got time today. Fuck it, I'm crossing the line today. I just looked at my wrist, I got time today. Fuck it, I'm crossing the line.
The food go past 5 feet, which is good.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Then just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But I want you. I don't need to. I don't need to. I don't need to. I don't need to. Everybody's
Yeah, I came right back here so I could do an outro because I forgot to do an outro too. But throughout spring break, we had us a good little time or whatever. And y'all know what I'm going to say, which I have not said it in a long time on camera, but I say this every day because I live by this. I stand on this. Make sure y'all keep it God first in everything that y'all do. And I'll see y'all in my next video, of course.